Hello and welcome back to Stay Fresh Chef. Today au menu, chicken fricassee with mushroom. Fricassee is a French term for a quick, simple, easy stew on the stove. So as usual, let's do this. Ingredients for this chicken fricassee. Chicken, obviously, I've got some supreme here, a little flour, I've got salt, pepper, a little olive oil, butter, shallots sliced, wild mushroom I'm using today, but you can use any mushroom. I've got a persillade, which is made of parsley and garlic chopped together. Liquid-wise, I've got some chicken stock, dry white wine, and some double cream. So, next, on the stove. So first of all, we're gonna process our chicken breasts. I like to cut them in two and do some nice fillet. Or you can do big pieces, it's up to you. Next, we're gonna flour them. Get rid of the excess flour, like so. Next, a little salt and black pepper on our chicken fillet. This is ready to be fried. We're gonna fry this in a medium heat pan on the stove with a little oil and a little butter. The reason I'm using a little butter is to give it a nice nutty taste and give some color to the chicken. When the butter starts to form, that means we're ready to pan fry. We want something like this, nice color. So we can turn the chicken, and I'm gonna add my chopped shallots to it. Okay, my shallots start to caramelize now. It's time to deglaze with some dry white wine. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna add chicken stock, and I'm gonna add some double cream. I'm gonna cover it and cook it for about 12 to 15 minutes. So about 15 minutes later, you can see the fricassee start to take shape. The sauce has reduced slightly. I'm still gonna reduce a bit more, but I'm gonna put the heat down for this one. And in a separate pan, I'm gonna pan fry my mushroom with some butter on a high heat. That noise means that we're ready to put our mushroom. That's it. Here we go. Little pinch of salt, little black pepper. At this point, the mushroom are nearly ready. You can either put it in the fricassee or serve it on the top of the fricassee. I'll choose the second one. On the mushroom, on the last minute, I'm gonna add some persillade, like so. There we go. There you go, chicken fricassee on Stay Fresh Chef. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace. This dish goes particularly well with sauteed potatoes or a side dish of rice. And with that, I'm gonna enjoy a glass of, what has he got for me today? A strong Chardonnay, okay? So, bon appétit on Stay Fresh Chef and see you soon. Cheers.